Alright, so here's the stitch selector knob. You can see those are the orange normal stitches, and then it's supposed to start moving this follower across the cam stack to get to the last cam. So I need to oil this mechanism through here. So there's a slider bar here. And I think I'm going to have this turn while I do that. I took the needle out. So I'll just grab the pedal and lift it up here on the table. That is the buttonhole. Straight stitch. And the zigzag is all one cam, and then it should shift. There we go. It's supposed to shift on the for that. Alright, now it's starting to move across. So we'll get some more oil down on this mechanism here. And then there we go. See how it pulls back here in some of the shifts, and then there's a couple spots where this lever pulls and there's a spring here that's supposed to push the cam follower over when it can shift, and it's not always doing that. So now that we've got it where I can wiggle it back and forth, and just put some oil in there and work it back and forth. There. Now it's sliding back and forth across here properly. Plenty of oil. And then a lot of movement to help work the new oil in. To displace any of the old oil and the old gum. There we go. Now I bet we've got good working stitches. There we go. We got blind hem one direction. Blind hem the other way. Stretch stitch, 3-stitch across. And a stretch zigzag. Stretch blind hem. Let's see. Another style of stretch blind hem and a straight stitch that goes back and forth for stretch fabrics. There we go. Getting all through our cam stack now. I suppose we could even check out the buttonholer. Alright, so let's there's an end, and then one side, and then the other side. And I don't have the buttonholing foot on here, so it's not going to turn out evenly because it's going to have uneven reverse without a buttonhole foot. But let's see. Came out pretty good. All right. All right. Check it out. The 1350, when mounted on this plastic bottom for the case in the right spot, has room for its extension table, and everything wraps up real nicely. And the manual is just going to set, actually, yeah, the manual sits right under there, and the cover goes on, and it is 100% quick and convenient ready to sew.